And hello, everyone. Good evening. And I'm happy to see you all here in this evening. And I know that this is a weekend and you all will be in the leave mode, like a holiday mode. But I'm sorry for making you today. But this is the one which I just wanted to talk to you, everyone. Like I just wanted to educate all the students about applied skills. Okay, so that is why I just wanted everyone to be here. And I hope my screen is visible, right? Can anyone confirm? You can just chat here. Yes, thank you so much. And I request a lot of interactions here because I know this is a students group, and if it will be great if you are interacting with me well. Okay. So thank you, Ajay Kumar, for responding in the chat. And yes, you're also open to chat. Okay, so you can also chat with me, interact with me. Thank you so much. So yes, this is like I'm going to talk about the applied skills. Okay, can anyone tell me? Did you know what is Microsoft applied skills? Yes. Can anyone tell me what is applied skills? Probably in the chat. That will be great. Or if you don't know, you can also tell me that you don't know. That's also fine. Okay, so fine. If you wanted to unmute and talk, you can also do that. Okay, don't know. Fine, great. Thank you, Ajay, for responding this. Okay, great. No problem. So this is what applied skills. We are going to talk completely about what is applied skills. Okay, that is the first one. And what applied skills, why applied skills that students should learn. Okay, students should know this. That is another important topic which we'll be discussing today. And then how you can use this applied skills in your project, because like by the end of the day, every students, like by the end of the year, like when you're completing your graduation or post graduation, you have to do a project. Okay, might be a individual project or a group project. So what is that? Okay, so how you can utilize this Microsoft applied skills in your project? Okay, that we will be discussing. And what are the various industry certifications that you can do it with this? Okay, and how you can showcase your applied skills. Finally, we will understand the benefits of applied skills and how you can use it in your graduation and the post graduation. Okay, so the first one, what is applied skills? See, I started my career as a professor. Okay, so I know like what are the various thing which the students are having as a gap between the college studies and the industry exposure. Okay, so you will be learning all the essential basic things, like what you will be what is cloud computing, and you will be learning something like you will be learning about Power BI, like probably it is a data analytics. You will be learning all these things, but you all don't know exactly like what exactly you should know in that. Okay, so all the basics, because only basics you can cover it in the college, but what exactly you have to cover? Okay, ma'am, why you are telling all these things to me? So this is what, as she already introduced me, I am Dr. Gomati, and I am a Microsoft most valuable professional, Microsoft certified trainer, and Microsoft learn expert. So what I thought was like, usually every people will be focusing on the professionals, those who are already working in the industry, to educate them on the most important technologies and everything. But because being I started my career as a professor, as I told, and I know about the students. Okay, I thought, okay, these technologies should be learned by the students. Okay, that is what my ultimate aim of this particular journey, that is EdTech journey, that is education technology journey. So I started to talk more about to the students, like what are the various things which you should know. Okay, so that is where I started. So this is my LinkedIn page. If you wanted to connect with me, you can connect with me. Of course, I'll also share the link towards the end of the session. Okay, so yes, So applied skills. Why should you require an applied skills, and what is the applied skills? So basically, applied skills are like um, learning thing, okay, but you will be learning based on a real time scenario, what you will be facing it when you enter into an industry. Okay, so what happens, applied skills, like you have to apply your skill in order to get your certification. Okay, that is what applied skills. So practical application. Okay, ma'am, so here I have a question, like once if I am learning something and I wanted to apply that, okay, so whether I have to install anything in my system, I don't have laptop, or whether I have to do any additional things in that, no. Okay, all the environments like your installation, everything is provided by Microsoft itself. You don't wanted to install anything, you will be using a virtual machine which is shared by Microsoft. Okay, you don't want to use anything, I will walk you through the each and every applied skills which you can use. Got it? It's a practical application where you will be learning it with the real world situation. Okay, are you all okay till this? What is applied skills? Any doubt here, you can ask me, then we will proceed. Are you all okay? This applied skills? Great, very good. So, applied skills, we understand what is applied skills and which is a real world scenario, right? So, now hello, am I audible?
Why applied skill
Can
first?
you all hear me? I could see some glitch in between. Am I audible now? Can you please confirm?
Ma'am, are you there, ma'am? Ma'am?
audible? Hi, am I audible? Sorry, due to some sudden current issue, like here it's raining. I'm in Coimbatore and it's raining here. So that's the reason. Am I audible now? Can you and can anyone please confirm? Yes. Thank you so much and thanks for staying here patiently. I'm just sharing my screen again. Please confirm. Just bear with me another 10 minutes, okay? Because some current glitches, like electricity glitches, are happening. So please just bear with me. I'm just sharing my screen. Let me know whether you all can see my screen. Okay, 1 minute. Um, yes, now I'm just sharing the screen here. I hope you all can see my screen, right? Like the PPT. Can you all please, anyone please confirm? Can anyone just let me know whether you can see the screen? Yes, the PPT, right? You all can see the PPT. Got it. No. Okay, let me just reshare again. Okay. Is that visible now? Can you see my screen now? Yes, thank you. I hope my screen is visible. Fine. So yes, so why this applied skills for the students? Why should I use applied skill and why it is useful for me? Okay, the first and foremost thing is what? It enhances the employability. Your employability. See, what is actually the big gap between you, like a student who is coming out of the college, and you are entering into a corporate, right? You are entering into a company. There is a huge gap between that. What is the first gap is what? You don't know how really whatever you have learned is exactly used in the industry. Okay, that is the first major thing which you should know that. So by seeing this, like by learning this, the first gap, it is just you are just breaking the first gap, which enhances your employability. What is this? Because employers, if I'm taking a mock interview for you, okay, just imagine I'm taking a mock interview for you. What I will expect, I want you to apply your knowledge. You should have some practical exposure to the technology, and you should have a hands-on experience as well. But you may ask me, ma'am, how can I achieve the hands-on experience being a student? So that is possible with the applied skills. Okay, you will be having a hands-on experience. The second important thing is this will boost your academic skill. You are learning a lot from the industry perspective, which will really enhance your performance, and you will be ready for your career. Once you're entering, see, you will be getting a certificate out of this provided by Microsoft. Okay, so what happens? Imagine that the 50 people are attending an interview, and you are having out of 50, 5 people are having Microsoft certification, applied skills certification. Then what happens? Obviously, you will be selected for the at least next round because you'll be filtered because you have the certification provided by Microsoft. Okay, not by any other like we'll be having some our like in our street we'll be having some computer classes, right? Not like that, like small computer courses, not from a small computer courses, but from Microsoft itself. Of course, your college certification and your bachelor degree will be add on, but everyone will be having the bachelor certification, right? What is going to make you unique? That is what we have to see here. Okay, so these three things will really help you in order to ready for the thing. And how can I use this applied skills in your college project? You can also use this applied skill because, of course, you will be doing a project in the applied skill. Okay, you will learn everything in that, and you can earn a certificate which will give you an additional point in your resume, in your I hope everyone are having your internal marks, right? I'm sure, like, because everyone will be having an internal mark, where this internal mark has a specific set of conditions, like you should do this, do that, you should have completed this YM course, something like that, right? So this particular course, this will definitely give you an additional add-on to your education and academics. Okay, so you will be training, like you will be trained by Microsoft itself. You will earn a certificate, and then you have to share it with your network. Okay, can anyone tell me, like, how many of you have LinkedIn account? How many of you have LinkedIn account? If no, just reply no. If yes, just reply yes. Do you have LinkedIn account? I hope I am yes. Soumya, you have, great. Diolin, yes, very good. Good. How many of you don't have LinkedIn account? How many of you don't have a LinkedIn account? See, why, ma'am, why you're stressing on this LinkedIn account? Why should I have? Because, like, LinkedIn is a professional network. I am sure that you all will be having a Facebook account. Okay, Facebook is a social account where you will be connected with all your friends, your school friends, college friends. There will be a lot of things which will be going on with the Facebook. But LinkedIn is not like that. It's a professional connection. Okay, you will be connected with the HR of a company. You will be connected with might be a CEO directly. You can connect with the CEO. Okay, you will be connecting with someone who is in the industry. Can anyone just share your dream company? What is your dream company? In which company you want to get placed? Everyone can share. Like, in which company you just want to be placed? You can send a message here. Freshworks, good. Then Microsoft, Google or Microsoft, very good. Gooby, great. Any other suggestions? Mostly you will be wanted to go with a manga company, like Amang company, Amazon, Meta, Apple, Google, Microsoft, CTS, TCS. Yes, of course, like many are having this particular thing. What is going to make you stand out? Man company, right? Like, what is going to make you stand out is what your applied skills, like where you're applying, exactly how you're applying your skills. Walmart, great. Okay, how you're applying the skills. So these things can be possible only if you are applying your exact knowledge, and you are getting some credentials from that. And you can definitely connect with all these HRs, like Google HR, Microsoft HR. I hope you can see my LinkedIn. Okay, so what happens here, you can directly connect with their HR, but I'm sure that you will not be like simply messaging them unwantedly. So you should actually be professional while talking to them. Okay, this is a professional network. LinkedIn is a completely a professional network. Okay, where you will be getting a lot of people from the dream company you want. So just you can go ahead and look for Google. Okay, just go and search for Google. You will be getting all the most of the employees who are working in Google. So you can directly connect with them. All the people will be updating about the internship. Of course, even I'll be updating about the internship opportunities, job opportunities, everything here in the LinkedIn. Okay, so you will be getting directly connected with the one who is working in the Google. Okay, so those who are not having any account, those who are not having the LinkedIn account, I would like to please suggest you to go and create the account, and you should be professional there. Okay, so you cannot simply like add some memes or something. You should just post your achievements. for example, if you have got any prize or medal, or you have achieved any certification, just go and post it there. So every you will have some connect over there, everyone starts seeing you. Might be your dream company, someone some HR from your dream company may also see you there. you know this is the easiest way to connect with the person who with your dream companies. Okay, so you will also understand like what are the various internship opportunities you have. Everyone will be posting, even I'll be posting it here. Okay, in my account, I'll be posting like what is the latest internship opportunities you have, what is the job opportunities you are having. And I'll be conducting bootcamp in my learning room. Okay, this is I'll also share the link to join my learning room, Microsoft Learning Room. Okay, so where you can connect with me to the learning room as well. Okay, so all these things you have the opportunity to network with lot of peoples over there. Okay, that is what the ultimate aim, right? Okay, so you can see like there are lot of opportunities out there, but only thing is you have to first connect with the professional network. Okay, so once if you have connected, you can share it. This is here is where the sharing comes to the picture. To whom you are sharing? You are sharing in Facebook, where your friends relatives will be seeing that, but whom should see that? Actually who should see? Okay, so that is what. Thank you, Nedamaran. So that is what very important, right? That is what really required. So that is why I'm telling you, just go ahead and create your feedback, like your sorry your LinkedIn account. Okay, that is first thing I request every students to create. Again, I'm telling, I know you all are very active and we all are very good students. So please don't post about any memes or something. Talk about your achievements there. If you have completed any certification, talk about it. If you have completed your semester exam in a fantastic way, talk about it. Okay, so all these professional networks try to connect with that. There in LinkedIn, you are going to share your applied skills. Okay, that is the important thing. Now, actually, in Microsoft is offering two vertical. Okay, one is what? One is your one is the certification. Okay, Microsoft is also offering a certification, and it is offering an applied skill. What is the difference? Is what applied skill is a goal specific. You can see here, you will be, if you are like, ma'am, I am very much interested in AI technology, then you can only focus on AI. Okay, don't worry about other things. If you are very much interested in data analytics, just focus on data analytics. That's enough. Okay, so that is where it goal is to validate a specific skill, and you will be having a project by the end. And your scope will be scenario specific. They'll be giving you some scenario, and you have to only worry about the scenario. Okay, and for that scenario you have to give a solution. But ma'am, how do I know the solution? Because I am from like I didn't even completed my college. For that, Microsoft has given a clear tutorial to learn. Okay, there will be complete tutorials. First, you have to learn that, and then you will be applying that knowledge in the applied skills. Okay, and you will be having like interactive lab experience. As I told, you don't want to install anything in your laptop. Okay, you just wanted to do like you have to access the apply skill. That's it. A link. Okay, you don't want to worry about it, and it's on demand, which means that you can just, you don't wanted to install something, you just wanted to use the link to learn it. That's it. Okay, so that is what about your applied skills. Okay, so after completing the applied skills, you will be getting the certification like this. Okay, so what is this? What applied skills you have completed, that will be here. And you can see here Satya Nadella has like put his has signed here. Okay, and you will be getting a credential ID, and you will be getting the certificate from Microsoft with free of cost. Okay, you're not going to pay anything, it's with free of cost. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what are all the certifications you have. First, let me just concentrate on AI, and then I will come back to the other certifications which are available. So are you all ready? So any doubt till what I just discussed so far? Are you all ready? Do you have any queries till whatever I have discussed? Just give me a reply like no. Thank you, Diolin. And anybody who has any queries, I can wait and then I will show you what are the applied skills we have. Got it. So I'm just sharing the link. Please don't open it now. Just listen, look into my screen. Okay. I will also share this link with you after the end of the session. Okay. What do you mean by the end of the session? Once you like after the end of the session, I'll be sharing it. Okay. Until then, please listen here. Look into my screen. Okay. So here you can see I have just entered up AI engineer. Okay. This is an AI engineer. So first applied skill you have nearly 6 applied skills for AI. If you wanted to become an AI engineer, if you wanted to start your career as an AI expert or AI engineer, you can start learning from this particular place. Okay. So what is that? The first one is build a natural language processing solution with Azure AI language. I hope you all can see my screen. Don't open the link which I have shared it now. I'll be sharing it by the end. This is completely free, Ajmal. Okay. So you can see here, this is build a natural language processing solution with Azure AI language. So I'm just clicking on this. Okay. You have 6 various applied skills available here. Then next one, if you see, this is a build an Azure AI vision solution. Create an intelligent document processing solution with Azure AI document intelligence. And this is a semantic kernel. This is a generative AI and this is a Azure machine learning. Okay. Okay. So you can ask me, ma'am, I don't, for example, if you are a first year student, okay, imagine you are a first year student. You are very much interested in machine learning, but I don't know anything about machine learning, ma'am. Only next semester I am having a paper on machine learning. Now, whether I can do this, definitely you can do this. Okay, I will tell you how and why. So, see, this is the machine learning. Imagine you wanted to become a machine learning engineer. Okay, like machine learning engineer. So, what I'll do is just click on this particular applied skills. It will take you to this particular page. Okay, you should not worry about this intermediate level. Okay, just scroll down. What are the tasks performed? They have clearly mentioned you will be setting up a development environment in Azure Machine Learning. You will be preparing data for modeling, training, everything. Okay. And if you just scroll down, you can see a detailed learn. As I told, you will be having a tutorial. Okay. Make data available in Azure Machine Learning. And you can see that it is mentioned like 39 minutes. Okay. You have to complete this is not like timed. It is not like a deadline. Okay. This is the estimated time which is given by Microsoft, which means that it will take 39 minutes to complete this. And you have 7 units here. Okay. So what happened, ma'am, if I didn't complete it within 39 minutes? Nothing will happen. You can learn it. Okay. Let me just click on this. I'm just opening this. Okay. So what is here? Make data available in Azure Machine Learning. And here they have given a detailed explanation step by step. First one is what is introduction. So data is fundamental element. You can learn everything from this particular place. Understand URI. What is URI? Next unit. Okay, it's like a unit wise. They have given you completely what is Azure Machine Learning. Excuse me. So Azure ML database, how you can train your data. Okay, so how to train your data, and everything is given here step by step. So just go on, proceed. You can learn everything here. Okay, likewise, each and every module, you can see here there are various modules available. So the first thing which you want to do is what? You have to complete these modules. Okay, what you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 modules you have. Once you have completed the 7 modules clearly, you can see here you have 2 hours to complete this assessment. Okay, once you have completed, you have 2 hours to complete. Once you complete all the learning path, you can click start. Okay, let me show this here. You can click the start button. So here you can see it is loading it. Okay, so you can just select the start button. It will take you to the virtual machine environment. What is virtual machine? You don't want to download. Microsoft will open another environment where you have to complete the project there. Okay, now I know you will be having a question, ma'am, what will happen if I didn't complete the exam or if I fail in the exam? Okay, no worries. Even if you didn't complete it properly or if you fail, okay, after 72 hours, you can again try this. Yes, after 72 hours, you can again try this. Okay, so by the end, what is the exact what is the outcome of this applied skill is what to make you ready for your career by giving some applied knowledge. Like what happens once you click start, it will take you to this particular VM mission. Okay, it is redirecting you. There will be some scenarios. Okay, so this is what the scenario for this. You are a machine learning engineer. How you are going to apply this? Okay, so this is how this applied skills will work. Okay, this is applied skills which is of no cost. But in some cases, like people like students, as a student, you will feel like, ma'am, I just want to learn something first and then I wanted to come back to this. For example, ma'am, I don't know about Microsoft Azure AI. Let me learn something and then come back here and do it. Yes, that is also available in Microsoft. Okay, it's like a Microsoft certification. So you can, as I told, Microsoft applied skills, which is this what we have discussed. Okay, this is an online on demand assessment, and you have another thing which is Microsoft certification, which is like specific towards, like it will talk you everything about a basic towards the advanced level. Okay, so if you wanted to learn something from the basic, ma'am, let me first learn and then I will do this applied skills and I will earn the certificate. Yes, that is also fine. Okay, then how to go there? Like I will also share this link with you. So these links are I will tell you like how to get these links. I will show you. Okay, so see, this is Microsoft certified Azure AI fundamentals. So you can first learn this. So this is a beginner level and then come back to the certificate, like the applied skills. Okay, even if you complete this, you will be getting a certificate. But in order to complete this, you have to you have to prepare and pay the fees and then do it. You will be getting a certificate from Microsoft itself. Okay, in Indian money, I think it's around wait 1 minute, it's around 3696. But if you are a part of my learning room, this is a Microsoft learning room, you can see here. Okay, so this is me. Got it? And I have 2 learning rooms in Microsoft. One is for professionals and this particular learning room is specifically for the students. Okay, so if you are joining my learning room, it's free of cost. Okay, again I'm telling, if it's a free of cost, what I can do is I can provide you 50% offer off for your certification. Okay, if you wanted to do some basic certification and then try this, then you can just and like submit this form. So this form will, once if you submit this and once if you are entered into this form, you will be getting a email. So once you get this, I can definitely provide you a 50% off. Okay, for applied skills, you don't have any cost, but it will be like, it will take you from intermediate to advanced level. If you want some basic understanding about the certification, then you can do the Microsoft certification as well. Okay, that is also like we have two verticals here. One is the certification, Microsoft certification, and another one is the Microsoft applied skills. If you wanted to go ahead with the applied skills, yes, you can also go ahead with that. If you want to go with the certification, yes, you are also good to go with that. Okay, anything is fine here. Got it? Yes, so this is all about your applied skills. So how you can just go ahead with this, you will be getting this particular certification once if you complete your applied skills. Okay, if you take a certification, it will be like basics, like you have a basic certification, intermediate certification, and advanced certification. Whatever you just, I also always recommend you to complete some basic certifications like Azure AI fundamentals, data fundamentals, like all these things. I always recommend you to go ahead with the basic level of certifications. Okay, and also applied skills, if you are really interested and if you wanted to try it out, please give a try. Nothing wrong here. Okay, so you can also try anything which is available here. Okay, so I'll also talk about these things, like like what is applied skills and what is internships and everything in my LinkedIn as well as in my YouTube channel. If you wanted to join, you can also explore that. And this is an important point, how to showcase your applied skills. That is a highly important topic which I really wanted to discuss here. Is what the first thing, you have to build a portfolio. You all will be having your resume. I recommend you to build an online portfolio, which is a GitHub. Okay, I hope you all might have heard about a GitHub. So you can create a GitHub, and whatever you are learning it, you can just hold it there in the GitHub, and then you can share the link in your resume. Okay, so GitHub, if you have a GitHub account, if you have a GitHub link, it will be easy for the interviewers as well. They will also easily understand, okay, you're using a GitHub which is an advanced level. Okay, so it's always good to have if you have your GitHub account. Got it? So that is the first one which you should, I always recommend my students, to have a GitHub account with them. So that is first thing which is recommended. And the second one is you should go with an internship and volunteering. In Microsoft, we have Microsoft Ambassador program. If you all are interested, I recommend you, like towards the end of the session, I'll be sharing a feedback form. Please complete that feedback form, whereas I'll be collecting the information about whether you wanted to become a Microsoft ambassador. Okay, so why I'm collecting that, if many people are, more than at least 10 people or 20 people are interested, definitely I am ready to take a session, a free session for the students. Only thing is, I just wanted to educate you on these technologies, what are required. Okay, so if you are really interested, please no, like just inform, tell me about your interest in the feedback form. Okay, and this is, I'm just sharing a link with you here. This is for the GitHub. If you wanted to understand what is GitHub and how you have to use GitHub, you can use this you can use watch this video. You will understand how to create an online portfolio with the GitHub. Okay, so the next thing is internship and volunteering. If you become a Microsoft ambassador, you can volunteer better, or else even if you're volunteering in your local community, it is also fine. And finally, it's a networking. That's most important. Be like, you have to network yourself with the professionals. Okay, that's where LinkedIn comes into the picture. And finally, is what, like, these are all the benefits for the post graduation student. You will be having an increased job opportunity, faster career growth, and entrepreneurial opportunities as well. If you understand how really AI is working in the industry, you can definitely do it. And this is also for the professors. Like, I'm just opening this thing for the professors. I know for NAC, or your like in B and BTechs, I'm not sure about it. Like, you will be having some accreditation things, right? For that also, you have to do some certification. This certification will be an value add-on. Okay, and also for your projects, like if you want to assign some assignments or the projects to the students, you can ask the students to go through this. Like this will definitely help them to increase their skill set as well. Okay, and finally, yes, if you have any questions, open to the questions and please scan the QR code. You can get lot of connect through this code, and I'm sharing the feedback form here. I'm here for the questions and answers. Meanwhile, please complete the feedback form. I have shared the feedback form link here, as well as I'm sharing this with your ma'am. Like, please ask me your doubts. If you have anything, I'm here to help you. Please share, please ask your doubts. You can either unmute yourself and talk to me, or else you can even send me a chat. Okay. Yes, Ajmal, please tell me. I'm just open to the feedback. Like I am open to the question and answers. I want all your questions. I want to hear your question. And if you want me to conduct, like we have we have a group of certified trainers, okay, like Microsoft certified trainers. We usually wanted to educate the students. Like we'll be conducting Gen AI sessions for the students and educators, like how to use AI in your classroom. For that is common for educators as well, like the professors or the lecturers, and also for the students. What are the various what are the various AI tools which are there, which are definitely useful for you. Okay, that is the one. And the next one is what, like we also, like we are conducting these sessions, like Microsoft certification fundamentals, like AI 900 fundamental certification. We also conduct Power BI workshops, research related sessions, Microsoft ambassador program, placement programs, and mock interviews. So if you have any this is for the lecturers. If you want any of these things to be handled, you can please let us know. And when the students completed their feedback form, we will definitely know that how many people are really interested to become a Microsoft student ambassador, and also how many are ready to write the certification exam. Okay, so please ask your students to write the certification here. Sorry, complete the feedback form here. And any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm here. Yes, Ajmal. I'm an engineering student. Is it possible to get internship in Microsoft while learning? Yes, it is possible. So Microsoft will be announcing internships probably every month. Okay. So I will share, like I'll be posting about the Microsoft internship in my, as I told, in my LinkedIn as well as in the YouTube. Okay. If you wanted to connect with me, if you wanted to understand what are the internships which are offered by Microsoft, I always recommend this particular playlist, that is the Skill Up. Okay. This Skill Up playlist is specifically for the students. Like what are the various free courses which you have, and what are the internship opportunities which are available in, like for the every week I will be updating this. Okay, like what are the internship opportunities, what are the opportunities by the in demand companies. Okay, so you can see here by Google, by Microsoft. I'll be talking everything about it. If you want to just connect here, you can connect it. Also you can connect with me through LinkedIn. Okay, this is also fine. Anyhow, like any either way. Students, yes, students, please, how can we apply for internships? Like, yes, so Microsoft will open the link. Okay, whenever they open, I'll be sharing that. Probably I have a student group as well. I'll also send the link here. If you want anybody, I'm not forcing anyone to join. Okay, if you are really interested to join the student link, please join there where I'll be posting it. So there you will be having an apply button. Okay, so applying for the students like internships, there you can use the apply button to apply for that. I recommend you to be ready with your resume. Okay. First thing I just want to tell you is what, be ready with your resume, your transcripts in the sense your certificate, like whatever the semesters certificate, your mark sheet. If you have done any free courses, if you haven't done, please go and do it. Okay. If you have already done, then keep that free courses with you. Okay. That certifications with you. Okay, so here I have talked about various free courses offered by Cisco, IBM, free courses with certificate and badges. Okay, please go and do that if you haven't started it. Okay, I think most of you people are from uh, second year or third year, right? So it's a good time to start your free courses, like the courses, learn something and get the certifications. Keep it ready with you. Okay, this is the first thing which I can recommend. Second thing is, don't go for any internship which is asking you to pay. Don't pay for internship. Okay, they have to pay you, or else you have to work and get the experience. Don't pay for the internship, because there are many scammers happening around, like outside. If you are trying it out by yourself, don't do that. Third one is, ready with your resume, your transcripts, your certifications, your cover letter, your letter of recommendation. You know, like what is a letter of recommendation? Many people even don't know what is letter of recommendation. So you should get some recommendations from your class teachers or someone, which will be helpful for you to apply. Okay, so keep ready with all these things. I have shared, even if you complete the form, after completing the feedback form, you will be receiving an email where you will find to join the WhatsApp channel. If you want, you can join it. And also you'll be finding the link for certification, whatever I have showed it. And also you will be see, like you will be if you want to be updated with all the internship, you can see my channel here. Okay, so where you will be getting a lot of information about it. Any questions? How will be assessed on our skills, ma'am? Will we have module wise questions like MCQs, or only 2 hour overall test and will be given a score? Yes, this is a good question, Aishwarya. So for each module you will be having a MCQ as well. Okay, but if you complete MCQ, that won't give you the certification. Only if you complete the 2 hours of assessment, you will be getting a certification. Okay, that is the one point. If you're doing a certification, okay, this is, I'm talking about the applied skills. Applied skills is like they'll be giving you a situation, a scenario, you have to try it. Certification is like, even for certification they'll be giving all the free materials to learn. Okay, and if you are really completing it, and if you have to attend, you have to go and give it a try, the certification will be of MCQs. Okay, multiple choice questions. So if you have completed the question, you will be getting a certification. So it is a two thing, like two ways you have. Like in applied skills, there is a different sort of certification, and if it is a certification, it is a different sort of assessments. Okay, good. Thank you. Any other questions? I'm happy to assist you, because being from a academic background, I strongly believe that the students have to be educated about the Microsoft technologies, trending technologies, artificial intelligence, how to use it better, everything. Okay, so that is why I'm just putting hard in communicating with the students, and I'm very thankful to Archana ma'am that she really understood my motive to educate the students. Okay, and because immediately she took, like, I know, like, professors are very hardly working in order to make you aware of the technology, and please be ready to accept it and try to educate yourself even more better. Okay, if no one is having doubt, I think we can wind up. If you require any such sessions, even if it is a certification sessions or anything in the future, you can just please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. And I request you all to complete your feedback form, which is really required and appreciated, because we have to analyze your future needs. That is what the real thing why I'm asking for the feedback form. Okay, so any questions? If nobody is having question, ma'am, if we can wind up, or if anyone is having question, I am still open to answer those queries. I want a small group picture. So can anybody who can come on camera, everyone, at least few people, what happens, what might happen in the back end, like I can totally understand, ma'am. Please ask the students to submit the feedback form so that we can understand and we will plan for some upcoming session and everything. Yes, ma'am, I'm done with this. Any questions or open, like, or else we can end here. Ma'am, இருக்கீங்களா? Thank you students, like because நீங்க எல்லாருமே ஒரு நல்லாவே ஆக்டிவா இருந்தீங்க. நல்ல questions I could see lot of questions here, but of course I have expected even more questions probably in the future. Yes. Thank you Ajmal, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye, have a great day. Bye students, bye everyone. சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க. Nice to meet you Ajmal, nice to meet thank you Venkateshwaran, thank you Aishwarya Priyadarshini. சொல்லுங்க ஐஸ்வரி, சொல்லுங்க.
AI tool எல்லாத்துக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா மேம்?
யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், நீங்க அத கரெக்ட்டா யூஸ் பண்ணனும். there are a lot of limitations இருக்கு.
மேம் அதுக்கான ரியல் டைம் அப்ளிகேஷன் ஏதாவது இருக்கா மேம்?
AI tool யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கான ரியல் டைம் அப்ளிகேஷன் கேக்குறீங்களா இல்ல AI என்ன உங்களோட क्वेश्चंस even more கொஞ்சம் கிளியரா கேளுங்க, I will tell you. Thank you Mohammed, thank you Hema, thank you Kadir. சொல்லுங்க ஐஸ்வரி, no problem, சொல்லுங்க.
எந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் லாங்குவேஜ் யூஸ் பண்ணா எந்த மாதிரி இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் எப்படி கரெக்ட்டா எப்படி மேம் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்றது?
ஓ AI tool நீங்க கிரியேட் பண்றது கேக்குறீங்களா இல்லனா ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதுறதுக்கு எந்த AI tool யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
ஆமா மேம்.
இல்ல இதுக்கு எதுக்கு ஆமா, ரெண்டு क्वेश्चन நான் கேட்டேன்.
மேம் 1 minute மேம்.
Thank you Tanushram, thank you Samson, hey Madarshini, thank you Kadir, Ajmal, everyone thank you. And Ishwari, உங்களுக்கு நீங்க கேட்ட क्वेश्चनக்கு ரெண்டு மீனிங் இருக்கு. ஒன்னு வந்து நான் நீங்க AI tool டிசைன் பண்ணனும்னு கேக்குறீங்களா இல்ல நான் ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னா எந்த AI tool யூஸ் பண்ணனும் ப்ரோக்ராம் கத்துக்கணும்னா கேக்குறீங்களா? ஓகே, சோ இந்த ரெண்டுல क्वेश्चन
எப்படி ப்ரோக்ராம்
இல்ல क्वेश्चन இன்னும் கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகல. யாருக்காவது क्वेश्चन புரிஞ்சா சொல்லுங்க. நாங்க எப்படி ப்ரோக்ராம் சவுந்தர் ராஜா மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் யூஸ் பண்ணலாமா? எஸ் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி யூ கேன் யூஸ். AI இஸ் ஓப்பன் ஃபார் எவ்ரி ஒன். இது வந்து இவங்க தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும் இவங்க யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னா இல்லை. நீங்க மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் இருந்தாலும் சரி, சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங் இருந்தாலும் சரி, பயோடெக் தான் படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தீங்கனாலும் ஓகே தான். உங்களோட ஃபீல்ட்ல எப்படி AI யூஸ் பண்ணும் அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க டிசைட் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே ஈஸ்வரிமா சொல்லுமா. ஓகே தேங்க்யூ சவுந்தரா.
கொஸ்டினிங் ஒழுங்கா புரியல மேம், இன்னொரு டைம் மேம்.
அதாவது நீங்க கேட்ட क्वेश्चन எனக்கு புரியல. AI எப்படி AI வச்சு நான் ஒரு டூல் கிரியேட் பண்ணனும் நீங்க கேக்குறீங்களா இல்ல ஒரு கோட் எழுதணும்னா நான் எப்படி AI டூல் யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
மேம் செகண்டா சொன்னீங்களா மேம், அதான் மேம்.
ஒரு கோட் கிரியேட் பண்ணனும்னா எப்படி AI டூல் யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
எஸ் மேம்.
ஓகே, அதுக்கு நிறைய AI டூல் இருக்கு சரியா. நீங்க ஒரு சாட் ஜிபிடி நீங்க கேட்டிருக்கலாம், இல்ல ஜெமினாய் கேட்டிருக்கலாம், இல்ல கோபைலட் கேட்டிருந்திருக்கலாம். சோ இந்த ஏதாவது ஒரு இதுல போயிட்டு உங்களுக்கு என்ன ரெக்குவயர்மெண்ட் நீங்க கரெக்டா சொல்லணும். அதுக்கு பேரு ப்ராம்ப்ட் இன்ஜினியரிங்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சோ ப்ராப்பரா உங்களுக்கு கேட்க தெரியணும். கேட்க தெரிஞ்சா எந்த AI டூலா இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு கரெக்டான கோட் தந்துரும். ஓகே, யூ ஹேவ் டு கிளியர்லி ஸ்பெசிஃபை யுவர் ரெக்குவயர்மெண்ட்ஸ்.
Thank you,
ஸோ
ma'am.
அதை தான் நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். வி ஆல்சோ கண்டக்ட் ஜென் ஏஐ செஷன். எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணும், எப்படி எஃபிஷியண்டா ஏஐ யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கிறத நாங்க சொல்லி தருவோம். ஓகே
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Ishwari. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. We will meet soon. Hopefully, we will meet soon. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your enlightening
Thank
words
you.
throughout
Thank
this
you.
session, ma'am.
Thank you.
மேம் சர்டிபிகேட் எப்படி டவுன்லோட் பண்றது மேம்?
எந்த சர்டிபிகேட்ரா?
இந்த கோர்ஸ்க்கான சர்டிபிகேட்.
நீங்க அந்த கோர்ஸ் முடிச்சாதான் சர்டிபிகேட் டவுன்லோட் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த லிங்க் உங்களுக்கு நீங்க ஃபீட்பேக் ஃபார்ம் சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு லிங்க் வரும். அந்த லிங்க்ல யூஸ் பண்ணி நீங்க படிச்சு அந்த கோர்ஸை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்க, சர்டிபிகேஷன்ஸ் வரும். ஓகேவா?
ஓகே மேம். தேங்க் யூ.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ. பை பை. யாரோ கேளுன்னு நீங்களே கேட்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் டோன்ட் ஹெசிடேட் டு ஆஸ்க். ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் த கொஸ்டின்ஸ். ஓகே, கொஸ்டின் இருக்கா? ஐ திங்க் ரோஹிணி அந்த குரூப்ல இருந்து தான் யாரோ கேளுன்னு யூ ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் இன்சிஸ்டிங். ஈவன் உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல கேட்கறதுக்கு தெரியலனாலும் நீங்க தமிழ்ல கேட்கலாம். ஐ எம் ரெடி டு ஹெல்ப் யூ. இல்லைன்னா ஐ வில் ஜஸ்ட் ஐ கேன் லீவ் த செஷன். இஸ் தட் ஃபைன்? ஷால் ஐ லீவ் த செஷன் எவ்ரி ஒன்? ஓகே
மேம், உள்ள அட்மின் ஆயிட்டு வெளியே வந்துருச்சு மேம். அப்போ சர்டிபிகேட் கிடைக்குமா மேம்?
அட்மின் ஆயிட்டுலாம் வெளில வந்தால் சர்டிஃபிகேட் கிடைக்காது. படிச்சுட்டு நீங்க உள்ள போய் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சில கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கும். அதுல வந்து ஒரு அப்ளைட் ஸ்கில்ஸ் மாதிரி ஒரு சினாரியோ கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த சினாரியோவை நீங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணும். அப்பதான் வந்து அப்ளைட் ஸ்கில்ஸ்க்கான சர்டிஃபிகேஷன் கிடைக்கும். புரியுதா? இல்ல எனக்கு வந்து நான் ஜஸ்ட் படிச்சா எனக்கு சர்டிஃபிகேட் கிடைக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு நிறைய கோர்சஸ் இருக்கு. சிஸ்கோல இருந்து ஐபிஎம்ல இருந்து நான் அந்த இதையும் நான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். நீங்க பாருங்க. ஓகே,
தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
பாய்.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
பாய்.
Thank you, ma'am.
தேங்க்யூ. Bye bye.